Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got my first order ever from Cloth and Paper. Oh, this box is so fancy. I was like, what is this on the porch? Cloth and Paper. So I made two orders and they combined my order actually. Last Saturday, the Labor Day weekend, they had like Saturday and Sunday sales. And I ordered something on Saturday. I think if you ordered pens, you got $20 worth of pens. You got 2 pens for free. And then on Sunday, I think if you ordered $20 worth, you got a notebook for free. So this is just a thank you card for your purchase with Cloth and Paper. I didn't order this, so I guess they threw those in free. The little headers for the like tabs, to do tabs, email, meeting. And then these are the pens that I ordered. I ordered 4 pens, and then I got these 2 pens for free. So I guess I'll have to do a pen test in a second. And then Sunday, I ordered these girl boss dividers, I think they're called. The tabs say The Grind, Socialite, Inspo SAF, Girl Gang, Moolah, Whatevs. So I got these, and those were, I think, $20. And I got this free 2019 planner, like notebook or whatever. I think it's a planner. Yeah. Well, Kena, the only way to find out is if you open it up and see. So let's open it and see what it is, because it was free. Oh, that's nice. That's nice, but the year's almost over. Oh, how far does it go into next year? None. The end. But Kena, that's the end. Well, it's still nice. That's one way to get rid of that when you can't use it no more. Put it with the order. So that's the book that came with that. This is what I ordered. And then let's check these pens out right quick. Let me find something to write on. Let me find something to write on. So old. So this right here is called, I'll tell you the name of it, Rose Gold Hedera pen. I don't know why it feels like my nail about to break. It's like it's cracked underneath there. So let's see. I feel some jiggling going on here. Oh, maybe this top. Okay, let's see. Cloth and paper. Co. Oh, that writes nice. That writes pretty good, and she looks good, so she's cute. Okay. So then we have this Phantom Rose Gold. This is a, what kind is this? Sarasa Dry Air Fit Grip Rollerball Pen. Let me see. Cloth and paper coat. That's nice. And it has a little rubber grip down here. And it's retractable. And it's gel. Let's see, do it smear? Nope. That's ballpoint. This gel. And then we have Keiko green pen, black and silver. Let's see what this one do. Let's see what this one does. Cloth and paper coat. That's nice. And this last one that I ordered, it must be the Phantom. This must be the Phantom retractable gel pen. Oh, this nice and thick. That's a thick. That's a thick one. Yes. Okay, let's try it. Let me take this little piece off the end of here. Okay. Cloth. And paper. Cool. That's nice. It's kind of slippery in your hand, but it's nice and thick. It's not matte. It's not a matte pen. Now this pen, I'm not by any means comparing, but this is my favorite pen because of how it feels in my hand. So these pens I had in my shop, and a lot of people was going crazy over because they write so thick and juicy. But this barrel here is like a matte finish. Like it's not. See, this is. See the difference? So this is kind of slick in your hand. See, it'll slip. But this one, my pen, it's got a grip to it. It's a matte finish. So let's see. And it's dark. Cloth and paper coat. Now, because my pen writes thick, I wouldn't advise you to test it to see if it's going to smear yet till it dries up a little bit. Because I'm sure it might. Let's see. Nope. But I gave it a minute. Because if I had wrote... Well, can you write with the wrong pen? If I had wrote Sassy and did it, see, it would have smeared. So you have to give it a second to dry, because if you don't, it's going to smear because it's so thick. This is a 0.7, I think. No, 1.0. Sorry, 1.0. So that's this one. And then these are the free pens I got with my order. So let's see how these write. Can you tear the tape off the dang on thing? Y'all be making this packaging child-proof. Oh, Jesus. I got to cut it. Okay. All right. Well, all right. Let's get in. I don't know the names of these pens because these were the surprise pens. So this one is green. It has a matte finish. So see, I remember in high school I only used to write like writing in blue. Now I don't ever write in blue, and I write in black all the time. So this is one of the surprise pens that came in the packaging. And then this, I don't know the names of them. I can't tell y'all the names. They were surprised. This seems like it writes just like that one. It kind of looks like that one. So it might just be a different color in the same pen. Sassy bows and clips. Okay. Okay, y'all. So these are my pens from Cloth and Paper. And they write nicely, all of them. My Sassy pen is the Big Fat Matte pen is in stock. It's a limited a few. This one, this Noblesse, for those who love them. And as always, guys, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.